Alright, so great start to the vlog. I woke up late and missed my first flight, so here we are. I see you man in Barca. Alright lads, we have made it to Barcelona. I've heard from the team they are still trapped in London. The plane that I missed, well technically woke up super late for and just booked another flight for, has not left yet. So I'm the first one in Barcelona. We're gonna head to the hotel and see what Levi's has left your boy. Luggage is secured. Now to find our driver. I think the very first thing that I have to do when I get to the hotel is actually film for some of the ads that I have to do. I've kind of been, I haven't been neglecting them, but I've just been taking very long to do them. Gone through security and whatnot. Waiting for my driver right now to come to arrival. I can see the Levi's driver, which would be the ones that I would be going with, but I think they booked me a separate one. But what I think is so funny is looking at all of the brands that are here in Barcelona right now for Primavera. Like I'm seeing drivers meant for Levi's, Amazon Music, Disney. Like there's actually so many, and it's just crazy to think about like how you can only really ever realistically go with one, but there are just so many that are there. So my supposed driver, he just texted me saying, it literally said bar for bar, I know your driver, call the office. I was like, what office? I didn't call them, I didn't book the car, but now I'm stranded. However, I've snuck up on someone that I know.
Oh, what one?
So, found our driver. Apparently, it was the Levi's thing the whole time. Alright, so we're in the car on the way to the hotel. Very lovely car, Mercedes. Love Mercedes. Definitely top 3 car brands ever. Like, look at this. How can you say this isn't stunning? It is stunning. Plan of action. Dinner is at 6 p.m. Go to COS because I need to buy some more ribbed t-shirts. They're actually the best t-shirts ever. I actually love COS. Shoot some content, then meet up with the guys once they finally landed. Let's get it.
Why Barcelona kind of looking like LA?
Man's just landed. My room isn't ready. I'm gonna go head to COS, but I'm locked into the Polish lons. Yes. Boy, I didn't know Polish guys got fly like this. I can't lie. Like,
what are you talking about right now? What?
Guys, I'll tell you, we're actually gonna go crazy. We're actually gonna get lit. I'm gonna have so much fun. I've been told that they have a showroom here, fully decked out with boxers, socks, t-shirts, jeans, even Havaianas. So I was gonna go to the COS shop, but why spend my money when I don't have to? I'm gonna be decked out in Levi's, head to toe, down to the drawers. We are checked in. Quite dark, I'm not gonna lie. I was thinking I could film some stuff here. I don't know how realistic that idea is because it's literally so dark, but I'm not expecting to spend too much time here anyways. And Primavera is literally right over there. Let me use this super zoom. It's literally right over there. I'm gonna have so many beers, it's insane. But yeah, I'm still waiting for the UK team to arrive because I've actually gotten here super duper early. I'm gonna go to the showroom in a bit and see what they have in store for me. So don't mind the mess in my bathroom. This is the outfit that I'm going to go with. Saint Laurent on the shades, Burberry on the jacket, Abercrombie and Fitch on the shirt, Levi's obviously on the denim, get to know, and then Saint Laurent on the boots. Is it a calm fit for dinner? I think it's a calm fit. Is it too hot to wear a jacket? Probably. I don't care. Yeah, let's go downstairs and get our wristbands. Got my wristband. Decided I need more efficient skincare. So I go to the local pharmacy. They ain't got no Weleda, they ain't got no Kiehl's. They got the Roche-Posay, but you know, I already have that. So I'm like, yeah, okay, cool. I go in there, grab a vitamin C serum. So I'm like, I need that. Tell me why. I go back, because I'm like, actually no, realistically, I need to be ready for 6 p.m. Let me go back and grab a moisturizer. I ask her, what's the moisturizer that you suggest the most? He says this one is like dermatologically supported by science, whatnot. I'm like, yeah, okay, I'll go with that one. I get to the checkout now, she's tapped it. She's like, that will be 267 euros. Huh? What? 270 who? As you can see from my bag, I bought it, but flipping heck, this better give me God's skin, bro. Like, this skin better be so glowing, it better be so flipping insane. Because what the flip? After the 200 pounds, 270 euros that I spent, I applied 3 products to my face. I firstly washed my face just with water. I kind of like just to wash off the SPF. Then I used this, like a hyaluronic serum. I have never used that brand ever before, ever, right? Didn't even know about it. The Roche-Posay, I know about this one. Vitamin C, I love vitamin C. It makes my skin so glowy. 100 and something pounds for this. Does it work? I mean, my skin feels glowy. It could have also been just like this if I just used Weleda Skin, for example. To have spent that much and this is the end result, my skin better feel plump for the whole rest of the day. That's all I know. Anyways, now get ready for dinner. I'm gonna change my outfit. I feel like it's a bit too classy. I'm still gonna go like smart casual. Guys, so this is the fit. New top, same jeans, same boots, new glasses. Let's go to dinner.
No.
Fam, when did Levi's make stuff like these? Nah, this is nice. Very French. Very French. Very French. And the pants. Let me get 360. Whoa, yeah. Fam, I'm gonna be vlogging this whole trip. Alright, what? Hop in the Sprinter then. Flipping it. Look at you, man. Skin glowing, bloody yeah. Alright, wait. Where the flip is Victor? I can't wait. This is insane. We are currently at the Levi's dinner / party. And then whoa. I'm back.
The
pixel. We're gonna have a few more drinky blues. So I'm on the beach right now. Party's happening just over there. The amount of content creators on this beach shooting videos right now. It's a pandemic. I won't lie to you, man. I'm gonna leave you, man, here and love you and leave you guys, because I will be back tomorrow for the first day of Primavera. I'll see you, man, in the next one. Yo! Alright, lads, I've woken up 6 hours late, went to the club, partied a bit, went to sleep around 6 a.m, woke up 12 p.m, looking at my text messages, 12:33, need everyone downstairs. I'm hopping in the shower. I'm saying, yo, can I get a couple minutes? I need to do my skincare. Anywho, now we're at lunch. Hola. And we've got hummus. I was hoping it was hummus. Voila, I was hoping it was hummus. Did you cook this one up yourself?
Yeah, I went up, but it took me 14 hours, man.
We're gonna munch a bit and then go to the festival. Ciao, ciao.
Thank you very much.
Bloody heck, yo. Zero space in this hub. Boy! Bad boy! Rude boy! We are Primavera!
Who did it better though?
Oh!
Who did it better though? Me!
Flicks on arrival. Wow! Good. God did!
Yeah, man. Oh, God did.
Rotted, what? It is raining now and we're in poncho land.
Can I just say, this is Levi's most expensive item, by the way. You can't buy this. You can't get this. You can't buy this. You can't even find this.
Hey, long road, took a tumble down this black hole. Stuck in Sunday league, but I'm on levels with Ronaldo. A legend in the making. As a kid, I dreamed I'm Al Capone. We fill cracks of broken homes with broken dreams and broken bones. If walls should scream, ears would bleed. You gotta keep them clean, could say it's dread, but I guess it's just what made me hug the world with open arms, and they treat me like a...
Going back to the hotel because the weather is so bad right now. So we're on our way to Fake Ming. Maya has fallen over. It's dreadful news, actually, dreadful news. It's lit, having fun, but I'm wet right now. I'm getting a little bit of I'm going to go new day in Primavera, right over there. However, we were having a bit of a lunch and I grabbed a bike.
He's being so greedy because earlier on he was like, oh, let's go to the Scoffers thing. And then we turned around and Denisha was just on a bike and driving away. We're like, bro, you didn't even send the address. You didn't send anything.
No, I know. We are in the non-cycling area. The line bikes have turned off.
This is what riding a bike actually feels like.
Wow, very chic. Thoughts so far? There's a pair of shorts. These ones specifically are flipping hard. I want this pair. Probably this tee, to be honest. This is nice. They've got some good stuff here, yo. They've got some great stuff here. All right, boom. Down to the toes. Havanas on feet. Scuffers. Levi's, 2Js. I lost my Saint Laurent glasses. I'm actually heartbroken. But am I not fly right now? Dude ain't fly right now. Dude is fly right now, bro. Boom. Day 3 of Primavera, guys. I woke up at 8 p.m. dude. It's now 9 p.m. Look at the sky, though. This whole spot is absolutely stunning. But anyways, check the fit. Fake Nick was absolutely insane, amazing, brilliant. Now, let's get lit. Day 3, last day, last night. Guys, I packed my suitcase. The day is over. These guys, margs and chips. Where's your food? Where's your food?
I'm waiting to get to restaurant.
Apparently, I have not been seen by the Levi's team at all. I ain't been around.
This is the first time I've seen him in 48 hours, guys. I didn't even know he was here with Levi's.
Nah, but guys, I'm actually so sad. I was in my bed editing content, looking over it, and like felt nostalgic already. Such an amazing trip. Flip. Talk more momentarily. This is the first time in 2 days that I've seen Mo.
Trust me, bro, I miss you. Where you been, fam?
I've been gallivanting, huh?
This is the first time in 2 days I've seen Mo. Whose fault is that?
Where were you? We're gonna miss our flight. We might be cooked, man. And that is a wrap. I'll see you, man, maybe in Mexico, because I'm going in 2 days. Love.